Did you know history's greatest scientist was secretly a wizard? Isaac Newton, the guy who invented calculus and discovered gravity, actually spent way more time doing illegal magic than science. In his hidden lab, Newton obsessively tried turning lead into gold using ancient spellbooks. He truly believed he could find the magical philosopher's stone and create potions for eternal life. For decades, he handled deadly mercury with his bare hands, slowly poisoning himself. Scientists found toxic levels in his hair samples centuries later. Newton wrote over 1 million words about summoning spirits and transforming metals. That's more writing than all his famous science work combined. He had to keep this massive secret because practicing alchemy could get you executed in England. When researchers finally discovered his hidden papers, the Royal Society was so embarrassed they buried the documents for decades. They didn't want the world knowing their scientific hero was basically a medieval sorcerer who just happened to invent modern physics as a side hobby.